Hi, welcome to my journey. This is Miss Carr, and I am inviting you to learn with me. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello! Ang pag-uusapan natin today is about real and complex numbers. Okay? So, titignan natin kung ano yung pagkakaiba nila at ano yung connection ng real numbers dun sa mga previous type of numbers na pinag-usapan natin. Okay? Okay, so real numbers are those numbers na counting or natural, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. So, lahat ng pinag-usapan natin from the previous videos, lahat yon ay tinatawag na real numbers. Okay? Okay. So, here we have like a funnel. Okay? So, tignan natin yung connection ng isa't isa. First, we have natural number. Alright? So, nilagay siya sa whole number. So, ibig sabihin lang yan, lahat ng natural number ay whole number. Okay? Plus 0 lang yan. Alright? Tapos, naging integers. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng whole numbers ay integers. Okay? Kasi dinagdagan lang naman ng negative number yung opposite ng whole number. Okay? Now, we have rational. So, ibig sabihin yan, lahat ng integers ay rational number. Kasi, ibig sabihin, yung integers na yon pwede mong gawing fraction. Okay? So, pag hindi pwedeng gawing fraction or merong non-terminating or non-repeating decimal numbers, you call that irrational number. Okay? So, pag pinagsama mo to, yung rational, irrational, you call that real numbers. In short, lahat ng to tinatawag na real numbers. Okay? Okay, so dito makikita nyo yung number line. Alright? So, yung pinakagitna niya is 0. So, makikita nyo dito yung different types of number o yung buong real number. Okay? So, as you remember, this is the counting or natural numbers. Then, pag may 0 na, tinatawag na siyang whole numbers. Okay? So, pag sinama mo na yung opposite ng whole number, then lahat ng yan tinatawag na integers. So, pag meron ng fraction or pwede mo nang i-fraction yung mga numbers mo, then you call this rational numbers. And these are irrational numbers kasi hindi mo sila pwedeng gawing fraction. Okay? Alright, so let's have exercise here. So sabi dito, encircle the correct type of number system. So, di ba kanina pinag-usapan natin yung different type of system o yung real numbers. So, pag sinabing n, that is the natural number. W, that is the whole number. Z is the integers, and Q is the rational number. So, yan yung mga symbol nila. Okay? So, sabi dyan, bilugan or sabihin natin kung anong klase siyang number. Okay? Si 4, that is a natural number or counting number, right? That is also a whole number, an integer, and a rational number. Kasi, pwede nating i-turn into fraction to, right? How about negative 6? Is this a counting number or natural number? No. Is it a whole number? No. It is an integer? Yes. Okay? How about rational number? Yes, I can turn this into fraction that could be negative 6 over 1. Okay? How about 5 over 3? Is this a counting number? No. Is this a whole number? Definitely no, kasi may butal yan, di ba? How about integer? No, because integer is also a whole number. Is this a rational number? Yes. Naka-fraction na siya. Okay? How about 0? Is this a natural number? No. Is this a whole number? Yes. Is that an integer? Yes. Is this a rational number? Yes. I can turn this into fraction and that will be 0 over 1. How about square root of 9? What is the answer for that? That's 3, right? Is 3 a natural number? Yes. Is it a whole number? Yes. Is it an integer? Yes. Is that a rational number? Yes. I can turn 3 into a fraction. How about cube root of 8? What is the answer for that? That is 2, right? Is 2 a natural number? Yes. Is it a whole number? Yes. Is it an integer? Yes. Is it a rational number? Yes. 2 can be a fraction, and that is 2 over 1. How about 34.7? Is that a natural number? No. Is that a whole number? No, may butalo. Is that an integer? No, because integer again is just a whole number. Is that a rational number? Yes, I can turn that into fraction and the denominator is 10 because the decimal number is in 10th place. Okay? Okay, so we have another exercise. It states whether the following statements are true or false. Alright, so let's have letter A. It says here, all integers are rational numbers. Lahat daw ng integers are rational numbers? Yes. Diba? It's either positive or negative or zero yan. Pwede natin silang i-turn or i-convert sa fraction. Okay? Now, how about letter B? All natural numbers are integers. Lahat daw ng natural or counting numbers are integers. Yes. Okay? How about letter C? All integers are natural numbers. What do you think? No, right? Because integers are positive and negative. So, hindi lahat ng integers natural numbers kasi natural numbers natin ay puro positive. Okay? How about letter D? All whole numbers are natural numbers. What do you think? Lahat daw ng whole number ay natural number. No. Why? Because ang natural numbers lang natin ay 1, 2, 3, and so on. Pero ang whole number natin ay may kasamang 0. So, hindi lahat ng whole number ay natural number. How about letter E? All natural numbers are whole numbers. Yes. Okay? Letter F. All rational numbers are whole numbers. No. Because I can have 0.25 and that is rational number, but it's not a whole number. Okay? Okay, so these are the properties of real numbers. And from the previous videos, napag-usapan na natin kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng commutative, associative, identity, inverse, and distributive, which are applicable only to addition and multiplication. Okay? Okay, so this time, alamin naman natin yung not real number or tinatawag nating imaginary number. Okay? So, sabi dito, it is 1 squared gives a negative result. Or sabi dyan na kapag in-square mo daw yung number na yun, ang result niya is negative number. Is there any number na pag in-square mo, negative ang result? Diba laging positive? Like 2 times 2, kahit negative 2 times negative 2, positive pa rin yung sagot, diba? So, that's why it's imaginary. It's not real na magkaroon tayo ng isang number na pag in-square mo, negative ang result. So, we have it like this, right? Imaginary. So, pag in-square mo to, yung I mo ngayon is equivalent to square root of negative 1. Alright? So, bakit natin siya kailangan? Ba't nag-exist tong imaginary number na to? This is to help us solve equations that do not have real solutions. So, katulad nito, we want to get the square root of negative 4. There is no way we can get the answer for this. So, gagamitan natin yung imaginary number natin. Alright? So, we have here negative or square root of negative 1 times square root of 4. Now, yung negative 1 tsaka 4, pag minultiply mo, ito lang yung sagot, diba? Negative 4. So, in this case, pwede natin makuha yung square root ni 4. And that is 2. But this one, that is equivalent to I. Alright? So, the answer now for negative, or square root of negative 4, that is 2i. So, meron na nga yung solution, yung square root of negative 4. And later, malalaman natin kung saan ba pwedeng i-apply itong imaginary number. Okay? In real life situation. Alright, so we're done with real numbers. So this time, let's talk about complex numbers. So complex numbers are just the combination of real number and imaginary number. Alright, and this is the format for that. So A and B, these are real numbers, and this I is the imaginary number. So these are the example, okay, of the complex numbers. Pinag-combine lang ang real number and imaginary number. Okay? Okay, so these are some applications of complex numbers. Alright, so if you're gonna take courses in science, in engineering, or statistics, then definitely you'll encounter these numbers. Alright, so advanced math na talaga siya, like calculus, and so on. So ready yourself because if you want to take these courses, definitely may encounter mo ulit si complex numbers.